Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get more Gimmighoul coins, only way. Start by focusing on the single guaranteed spawn location and interact every time it appears. Track spawn patterns, conserve resources, and use team support to speed encounters. Be patient and repeat the route consistently, noting times and conditions. Small optimizations add up quickly, so stay observant, adapt your approach, and enjoy the hunt for coins today. Prioritize the core mechanics that guarantee coin drops and avoid random grinding that wastes time. Use a consistent route that passes known spawn points and clear obstacles quickly with optimized moves. Coordinate with friends to trigger shared spawns and reduce downtime, and bring items that increase interaction speed. Monitor in-game queues closely and adjust your path when conditions change. This focused method yields steady coin accumulation without reliance on luck. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also, quick recommendation: use leak-proof containers for your snack stash when grinding coins so your lunch survives long sessions. They save spills and keep snacks fresh between runs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set for your play sessions. Now let's get back to the video. Today, conserve stamina and prioritize interactions that have the highest coin certainty to maximize efficiency. Avoid chasing rare spawns that do not guarantee coins unless you have spare time. Use entry saves or markers if the game supports them to repeat successful routes more quickly. Review your session logs to find subtle patterns and tweak timing. Small deliberate improvements compound over multiple runs, turning slow progress into reliable coin gains with minimal frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.